All right, great. I guess you can go ahead and get started with just a brief introduction with your name and stuff, and then we'll move on into those questions.
Hi, my name is Juliet Guarino Berg. I am an elementary science specialist at the town school in Manhattan, and I'm also a longtime workshop leader for STEM Teachers NYC.
Great. Can you share how your journey with STEM Teachers NYC began? Like, how did you first become involved with this community?
In the summer of 2017, I was lucky enough to be in the first cohort of the KT3 program, Kid Talk, Teacher Talk. And it was a 2-week program that really changed my teaching. It made me think more about how to facilitate dialogue in the classroom with my students. It made me think more about three-dimensional learning and what that really meant. And after being part of such a meaningful workshop experience, I knew that I wanted to give workshops as well.
Great.